emergency 911.
What's the address to your emergency?
I'm on New York Avenue, headed outbound towards Route 50.
Where are you on New York Avenue?
Right by the Washington Times building.
Okay, I got you. Okay, tell me exactly what happened.
There's a car going down the street here with a person on the hood.
Someone on the hood?
Yep, and I'm right behind it.
Are you serious?
It's a Nissan Altima, Maryland plate 2633. I can't see the first. Oh, it's trying to get the.
What color is the Nissan?
Looks like silver. License plate is Maryland 3 Alpha over Echo 2633.
Let's say Alpha over
Echo. 2633.
Maryland tag.
Maryland tag, yep. And he's driving along New York Avenue with a person on the hood. I got my hazards on him behind
wow.
him. Yeah.
Wow. And your phone number is?
Correct.
Okay. What's your name, sir? I'm sending the police as we are speaking, okay?
Okay. Coming up on the Route 50 BW Parkway split.
Okay, so now it has gone to BW Parkway?
Not yet. Nope, we're still on New York Avenue. We're just coming up to the split. Now he has his hazards on as well.
So is it going on 50 or is it going towards BW Parkway?
Right now he's in the right lane, so if he stays here, he'll be going towards 50. He'll be getting onto 50.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, I think someone else also have it.
He's going really slow. He's going right now. We're going 20 miles.
Going really slow?
Yeah, 20 miles per hour.
Let me get to Maryland State. It's now in the state territory.
Yeah, we just crossed into Maryland.
Okay.
Okay, we're getting onto Route 50 now.
Okay. Let me do this.
Prince George's County 911 Center. What is the location of the emergency?
Okay, I do have the caller on the line, but just in case we get disconnected, his callback number is.
Thank you.
Okay, and the location right now is Route 50 going eastbound. And where 50 and BW Parkway split.
Yeah, we're beyond the split now. We're headed. We just went past the exit for Kenilworth Avenue. He's starting to speed up. We're up to 40 miles per hour with a person.
There is a man on the hood of the vehicle.
Not my vehicle, but the vehicle in front of me.
Yeah, I understand. I understand.
Now,
Okay, and that's 50 westbound?
Negative.
50 east.
Eastbound. That would be eastbound.
Okay.
And now he's coming
And
to
let
a
me give you a
stop.
lookout on the vehicle.
He just came to a
Yes.
stop and the guy jumped off. The guy's on the
Okay.
side of the highway here now. And the car
Okay.
is.
Nissan Altima.
Yep. The guy's on the side of the highway right after the Kenilworth Avenue exit, and the Nissan Altima is driving away.
Okay.
I'm still behind the vehicle. The person's on the side of the highway, back just past the Kenilworth exit.
Okay, what color is the Nissan?
Silver?
And the tag number is A as in Adam, E as in Edward, 2633, I was told. Maryland tag.
Yeah, I think there's a number before that. I think it's
Okay.
I think it's 3 and then A over E 2633. I believe it's kind of hard to see.
Okay. Okay, and what was the male's description? Was he black, white, Asian, Hispanic?
The guy in the hood looked like I believe was black and tall and thin.
Okay. Alright, so I have a call into this location. Okay, and what's your name, sir? Okay. Okay, we have officers en route to the location.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.
All right.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, PJ. All right.
Thanks.
All right.
Bye-bye.